Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful this Alfa Romeo Giulietta 1.4 TB MultiAir Speciale 5-door Euro 6, so 1.4 petrol turbo, 2017, cam belt replaced at 67,000 miles, now done 100,000 miles. Price £6,995. I will remember the name of this blue, proper Alfa name in a minute. But anyway, beautiful blue metallic, very good service history. Serviced at 95,000 miles. Has got good history. Has had the cam belt replaced. Is 3 owners. Service in January this year last. Got good service history. MOT to the 9th of February 2026. And a lovely car. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, rear park sensors, Speciale, sports model, looks great. Got those anthracite 5-hole alloys with the low profile tyres, beautiful big red brake calipers, front park sensors, front fog lamps. Got those cool daytime running LED dot matrix headlamps. Inside, got some suede on the sports seats, nice striped red stitching, heated seats, electric lumbar on the seats, front armrest, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. As I say, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth with music playback, lots of connectivity down there, air conditioning and climate controls nice and cold. Got the DNA button down there for your sports, comfort, neutral and natural, and all weather modes. Lovely and clean in the back. Nice splitter. Low down in the bumper, very sporty looking model this. Parcel shelves there, super clean in the boot. Let's just clip this on because it's come unclipped. And there is space saver spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, it's all there, it's all present, it's all correct. Complete. Not dented, scratched or knocked around. Lovely, been well looked after. This car drives beautifully. I really like it. Super condition. Really is. Real smart car for £6,995. Electric mirrors, electric windows, driver's seat's not worn out, comes with 2 remote keys, 100,000 miles, just come up 100,148 miles, 6-speed manual 1.4 petrol turbo, got the fitted mats in there. £6,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. Probably got another Giulietta in sale, normally got 2 or 3. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know that we've just had that car fresh in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.